Hi guys, so I'm back. Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here again trying to bake. I'm gonna be making this time a vegan oatmeal cookie. Now as I explained you last time, I am this vegan tip, so that's why I do vegan desserts. Been dibbling and dabbling in it.
You always lying.
So there we go.
Hi, I'm Keda. This is me. I'm just trying to make God and myself proud. Let's see what I'm up to this week. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
So here we have the flour mixture with cinnamon, baking soda, and salt. Vegan butter, gonna whip that up soon. Oats, I have some quick oats and rolled oats in here because I wasn't gonna buy any more oats. Raisins soaking in water. Flaxseed meal, I guess this is the egg thing, egg substitute, and sugar.
So the first thing we have to do is butter the sugar, mix the sugar. You know when you cream it up and you add the sugar in there, what does that called? Let me know in the comments. So here we are, I'm creaming the sugar. Now that I'm editing, I finally know what the hell that mixing of sugar and butter means. And then I'm adding in the flaxseed mixture and we're gonna mix that together. Now we have to mix the dry ingredients. Make sure it's mixed properly. Ooh. This might be shaky. And then we're gonna pour this into the wet ingredients. So now we take in our mixture and we are adding in our raisins. Now the raisins that we added in has been soaked in water, so that makes them like juicy, you know, give it back its hydration. And then we added in the oats. Now it's supposed to be rolled oats, but I had like quick oats, so I just kind of like mix all of them together, whatever I had in the cabinet really. So the next step is to roll the cookies with the little rollers, scoop it, roll it up, put it on the baking sheet. Okay, so here they are and they're going straight into the oven. I can't do this with both hands, so
1 hour later.
So the cookies just came out. They look good. A little bit thick, but they look good. Much better than I expected. I'm just gonna wait on them to get like cooled and then do another batch. And then show you guys the final result. The way how these cookies are making my house smell, fabulous. I love oatmeal raisin cookies. Me, the pinnacle of cookies. Chocolate chip, get out of here. These are the cookies, guys. These just came out. These are the cool set. I'm gonna try one and let you guys know how it is. Okay, I'm gonna try the cookie. I think it's gonna be good. It smells good. Tastes like normal meals. It's so good. It's so good. So good. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The cookies are delicious. You just saw me try one. I'm gonna have another one just for good measure. Bye. Hi guys, so Micaiah, my husband, he's gonna try my oatmeal cookie to give an honest reaction as to how it tastes. So babe, what you think?
All right, let's go. Oh wow, this is soft. This is good. This is actually pretty good. It's better than I expected.
And it's vegan.
Sure, whatever that means. But this is good. Really flavorful.
Really?
It actually is pretty good.
I give it cookies.
No.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. I would see you all next week. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.